COVID-19 has brought to the forefront the theme of the podcast that I have been hosting for years. And that is the importance of treating your business like a business and not like a hobby, regardless of whether or not you are a full-service salon or a booth renter behind the chair. I've always said, if the government treats you like a business, you are a business, and therefore you should treat yourself like a business. One of the most important decisions you make when starting your business is the legal structure you choose. When I say legal structure, I'm talking about choosing between a sole proprietorship, S-Corporation, partnership, C-Corporation, and also understanding what it actually means to be an LLC, especially a single member LLC. How you pay yourself, how you file your tax return, how many tax returns you have to file, including the types of returns you are required to file, are all directly related to your legal structure. So before you change your structure or pick a structure, if you are a new business, I strongly suggest you speak with a CPA that's familiar with the beauty salon industry, a CPA with a tax practice, and an attorney that is familiar with setting up legal business structures are the people you need to speak with before deciding which structure to choose. The CPA will provide you with all of the tax and accounting requirements and consequences of each legal structure, while the attorney can help you understand the legal requirements and the consequences of each structure. Now, please don't jump up and change your structure based on something you heard or read on social media without first consulting with a tax professional, because there are so many other nuances that a non-tax professional is not familiar with. Now, listening to other people's experience and reasoning for choosing a particular legal structure may be a good place to start. However, when it comes to taxes and complying with tax law, each business is different. And what works for one may not work for the other because of an unforeseen circumstance that you or the person that you are listening to isn't aware of that may relate to your business in particular. Now, some of the questions you may want to first ask yourself before switching from one legal structure to another are: number one, if I am a booth renter or salon suite owner, what was my net income in the prior year? Number two, do I own a salon with employees and or booth renters? Number three, if I am a booth rental salon, what was my total income for booth rent in the prior year? Number four, if I am a salon with employees, how many employees do I have? What is my pay structure? Is it commission? Is it team-based? Is it hourly? Is it hourly plus commission? Number five, am I disciplined enough to keep up with the requirements of the legal structure that I choose? Number six, can I afford to pay an outside party to set up and manage my bookkeeping system and file all of my tax returns that I am required to file based upon my legal business structure? As you can see, making the right decision is more than just hearing something someone said. There is a whole lot more thought that has to go behind your decision making. Your answer to these questions is the first hurdle you'll need to cross when deciding whether to change your current business structure.